Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of AI-generated videos. With AI becoming more powerful, platforms like HAILUO AI, DALL AI and Microsoft AI offer different ways to create videos. But which one is the best? Let's find out. AI video generators use artificial intelligence to create video content from text or images. Some focus on short clips, while others generate images that can be animated. The three we are looking at today are HAILUO AI, a tool that generates short 6-second video clips. DALL AI, best known for generating images from text. Microsoft AI, which offers various AI services, but does it generate videos? Let's see. A futuristic city at night. HAILUO AI specializes in short 6-second videos. The quality is impressive with 1280 by 720 resolution and smooth motion. However, the major downside is time limit. If you need longer videos, you will have to stitch multiple clips together in an editor. Let's look at the pros and cons. Pros include high-quality short videos. Quick processing, free credits available. Cons are, videos are only 6 seconds long, limited customization. Now let's test DALL AI. Wow, it only produces images. DALL AI is excellent for generating creative images, but it doesn't natively support videos. You will need to animate images using tools such as Runway ML or Adobe After Effects. The pros of DALL AI is high quality. Detailed images, great for storytelling visuals. Cons include no direct generation. It requires extra tools to animate videos. Now let's explore Microsoft AI services. Microsoft AI offers a lot of AI-powered tools, but direct video generation is not a strong suit. Instead, it integrates with other AI services for video, such as OpenAI models or third-party platforms. Its pros includes it's a powerful AI tool that works well with Microsoft services. Its cons are no dedicated AI video generator, it requires external tools. So if you need short, high-quality videos fast, HAILUO AI is a great choice. If you want creative AI-generated visuals for storytelling, go with DALL AI and animate them later. If you are already in Microsoft ecosystem, their AI tools might be useful but aren't a complete video solution. Wondering how most content creators and short video channel creators create unique and seamless interactive content? The popularity of a channel isn't solely due to AI video generating apps. It's a combination of content, niche, and creativity. This leads me to discuss CPM. What is CPM? Cost per mil, also called cost per thousand, is a commonly used measurement in advertising. It is the cost an advertiser pays for 1,000 views or impressions of an advertisement. Let's briefly discuss. RPM is the money YouTube pays content creators for every 1,000 views on their videos. The higher the CPM, the higher your RPM payment. It's crucial to choose your content niche wisely. Two main criteria should therefore be considered while choosing your niche during content creation. Number 1, high earning potential niche. Number 2 is ease of video creation for your niche. So let's dive right into the juicy world of niches and how to select the absolute perfect niche for your channel. Get ready for a mind-blowing discussion on the two most lucrative niches out there. The first niche we will be talking about is self-improvement niche. On YouTube, this niche has a large potential audience with genuine interest in personal growth. It also has diverse content options within the niche, not forgetting the high engagement rates from viewers who are actively seeking solutions and potential for strong brand loyalty. There is also opportunities for monetization through various methods like sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. In conclusion, the advantages of self-improvement YouTube niche large and engaged audience, diverse content possibilities, high viewer retention, monetization potential, positive brand image, strong community building, and SEO optimization, among other things. Health and wellness niche on YouTube is not just trending, it's definitely a sustainable niche with dedicated audience seeking guidance and support. For one, I'm personally addicted to this niche. It has come in handy to resolve a lot of wellness queries I have had over time. I also follow a lot of health and fitness channels like Joey Thurman channel and Walkathon channels. I also follow a lot of gluten workout channel. This niche has a high potential for monetization through brand partnership, affiliate marketing, diverse content options within the niche. There's also positive impact on viewers by promoting well-being practices. The key advantages includes high demand and large audience, profitable monetization option, positive impact potential, community building. If you are considering these niche, you must also know that credibility is key. You must always provide accurate information. Competition is also high due to the popularity. You must also have ethical considerations by being mindful of not promoting misleading health advice. Let's discuss the niches to select and address a common question new creators often have. How long does it take to create YouTube videos? The duration of making a YouTube video varies based on the length and style you choose, along with your creative vision and the video quality. It could take from 10 minutes to 3 hours to a few days. A big question now is, are you creating your channel just for the fun of it? Or you intend to create content with monetization in mind? Are you just using your channel to promote your business, or you want your channel to be used for affiliate marketing purposes? It's very important to know what you want from your channel, and this will help you create contents towards that purpose. Now, let's return to comparing AI-generated videos capabilities across various platforms. It's crucial to take into consideration the fact that you ought to be prepared to consider cost-effective offers, free plans with daily login credits, as well as affordable premium options. Additionally, understanding the language barriers present in the primary interface of the system is also truly important. Finally, it is important to note that AI tools might be beneficial, but they are certainly not a comprehensive video solution. Selecting an appropriate niche, crafting a captivating content, and ensuring that it is efficiently optimized is crucial and should not be overlooked. So, what do you suggest in response? Which particular tool would you recommend trying out? Allow me to know your thoughts in the comments section below. It is always a pleasure to hear from you. Please remember to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss out on any future videos that I have to share with you. Once again, thank you for watching my content.